Good morning, Lily. Are you okay?
Lily, say something funny.
Sweetheart, did something happen?
I can't talk today. It's okay. We are here.
Maybe she feels scared.
Let's talk to your teacher.
Okay.
Hold my hand. We're with you. Good morning, Lily. Yesterday was hard, wasn't it? Yes. You hurt Mia with words. Lily, is it true? I said she was stupid.
Why did you say that?
I wanted others to laugh.
But it made her sad.
Words can hurt hearts. That's why I stopped talking. Silence doesn't fix it.
Kind words can fix it.
Can I say sorry?
She's in the classroom.
I'm scared.
It's okay, Lily. Here, squeeze this. Brave means scared and honest.
Brave means scared and honest.
Mia, I'm sorry. You hurt me. I was wrong.
You are smart and kind. Really? Yes, I promise. I hope you forgive me. Lily is back!
I'm proud of you.
That's real strength.
Go play together.
Let's play, Mia. Okay, Lily!
Friends again!
Yes, friends!
Hooray!
Yay! Forever friends! Kind words feel good.
How was your day?
It was great!
That's wonderful.
I fixed my mistake.
Mistakes teach us.
And sorry makes it better.
Tomorrow I will speak kindly.
We love you.
I love you too.
Let's make a kindness rule at home.
That's a wonderful idea.
Yeah! I promise to be kind. One kind sentence each day. Leo, you are a good brother.
Really?
Yes, you always help me. Thank you, Lily.
Now my turn.
Lily, you are brave.
I felt scared.
It's okay, sweetie.
We're right here. Brave people feel scared too.
Then I want to be brave again.
Good morning.
Good morning. Your voice is back. Yay, I can talk again.
That's wonderful, sweetie. Yeah, let's play.
Okay.
And it feels good.
Hi, Mia. Hi, Lily. Your drawing was amazing. Really? Thank you. Yes, I love the colors. I'm so glad.
I see kindness.
Kind words make big changes.
We are proud of you.
Thank you.
So proud.
Your voice is strong.
And kind.
I will use it wisely.
Kind words build kind hearts.
I'm glad I spoke again.
We're so proud of you.
You did great. And we are glad you did.